subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Health benefits of Brahmi. Number 1. Brahmi for fair skin. The presence of antioxidants in the Brahmi herb help to dispel toxin from the body, especially from the epithelium layer, thus improve skin complexion and stimulate skin cell regeneration. It is also good for inner skin that lines the digestive tract, which support the function of healthy microbes. Brahmi is used in treating psoriasis, eczema, abscess and ulceration. Number 2. Anxiety and stress. The leaves of Brahmi plant can chewed in order to relieve stress and anxiety. The active ingredients in Brahmi can affect hormonal balance in the body and positively impact the balance of stress hormones in our body, thereby inducing a calm, relaxed state in a natural way, avoiding the side effect of traditional pharmaceutical options for stress and anxiety relief. Number 3. Brahmi for insomnia or sleeplessness. Brahmi is a safe and natural tranquilizing and sedative agent that offers protection against muscle contractions and is also beneficial in treating insomnia. Tranquilizer is the tension-reducing agent that has a calming effect on brain. It is useful for improving confidence, mental clarity, and memory recall and is found to be very beneficial treating mental fatigue. Number 4. Digestive issues. Brahmi is really a sedative and calming herb in addition to anti-inflammatory. Therefore, it is generally recommended in traditional medicinal practices for gastric ulcers as well as irritable bowel syndrome. It may relieve inflammation within the bowel, avoiding a wide range of possible gastrointestinal conditions. Number 5. Improves breathing. Probably the best indicator of how we deal with stress is how we breathe. When the body is stressed, breathing becomes shallow and rapid, which triggers stress receptors located in upper lobes of the lungs. Over time, this stress response can cause irritation of the respiratory tract. Brahmi herb has been shown to relax bronchioles, which frequently become irritated or inflamed from respiratory conditions such as asthma or stress-induced shallow breathing. In addition, this plant relaxes the blood vessel muscles around our airway passages, which improves our breathing quality. Number 6. Nourishes scalp and strengthens hair. Intake of Brahmi results in thick and lustrous hair. It nourishes the scalp by preventing dandruff. It is an excellent remedy for all hair problems. It strengthens hair roots, prevents hair fall, and promotes hair growth as well. Number 7. Brahmi treats Alzheimer's. The presence of amyloid compounds in neurons is responsible to brain damage and augments Alzheimer's disease. The biochemical bacosides compound in Brahmi influences the brain cells and helps in rebuilding of brain tissue. Number 8. Epilepsy. The leaves of Brahmi have been used as treatment against epilepsy for thousands of years. This is thought to be due to the effect Brahmi on neural pathways, and it helped to prevent epileptic fits as well as other forms of mental diseases including bipolar disorder and neuralgia. Number 9. Encourages normal blood pressure. Brahmi has been shown to increase the utilization of nitric oxide in the body and also appears to encourage vascular muscle function, two benefits that positively influence normal blood pressure. While promoting normal blood pressure is not one of the Brahmi's most well-known uses, the herb may still provide a valuable natural approach to those seeking this benefit. Number 10. Prevents neonatal hypoglycemia. Low blood sugar in newborn babies can cause brain damage and may also induce future motor and cognitive impairment. Studies have shown that Brahmi has compounds that can exhibit neuron protecting effects in such infants. Many researchers believe that Brahmi extracts may be helpful in protecting newborn brain against hypoglycemia-induced brain damage. Thank you for watching.